group number 1. Today our topic is estimation of manganese in steel. Estimation of manganese in steel can be done by different techniques like titration, spectrophotometry and atomic adsorption. But I am selected titration method. Why I am selected titration method? I have a reason. Because number 1 is it is cost effective as compared to the other techniques, and number 2 is it is precise and accurate measurement.
This is our apparatus. This is burette and that is burette clamp that hold the burette, and here is stopcock and that is our stand.
The chemicals which we use in titration are there. Number 1 is hydrochloric acid, number 2 KMnO4 and number 3 oxalic acid. Now I move forward to the procedure. Into different steps. The number 1 step is sample preparation. Sample of steel is dissolved in an appropriate acid like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid are used for this purpose. And number 2 is oxidation of manganese. Manganese in the steel are oxidized to form permanganate ion using a oxidizing agent like KMnO4. Third step is titration. The assessed potassium permanganate ion KMnO4 is titrated with a reducing agent like oxalic acid, sodium oxalate. Titration is done by using a burette to add titrate gradually in the solution. Number 4 is endpoint detection. Endpoint detection of the titration indicated by the color change in the solution. Because I have used potassium permanganate, so the solution changes from pink to colorless. It means all the manganese ions have reacted to the titrant. And last one is calculation. The amount of the concentration of manganese can be calculated on the basis of the volume and concentration of the manganese ion.
This is our steel sample and we weigh our steel sample in a weight balance, and we put our steel sample in weight balance and we take reading. Our sample is 0.4839. Now we add HCl in our steel sample. We add 0.1 molar KMnO4 in the steel sample. So the solution become yellow color due to addition of KMnO4 in it. This is oxalic acid and we take 0.2 molar oxalic acid in the burette. Before we use oxalic acid, shake properly. We add oxalic acid in the beaker before adding the burette. We add oxalic acid in the burette and we take 15 ml oxalic acid in the burette. Now our solution start color changing. It means it have manganese in it. The solution become colorless, so that is our end point.
Here is the last step, and that is calculation. We use the formula, that is concentration of manganese is equal to volume of oxalic acid used multiply molar ratio divided by volume of steel sample. Here is the values. Volume of oxalic acid 36 and molar ratio. Here is the reaction in which 5 molecules of oxalic acid and 2 permanganate ions reacted and give 2 manganese ion, 10 molecules of carbon dioxide and water. Here is the molar ratio is 2:1 and volume of steel sample is 0.4831. Now we are putting the value in this formula. The values in the formula and give 149.03 concentration. It means our sample of steel contain 149.03 manganese. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.